To hide birthdays in Galaxy S25 calendar. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the calendar app. Next, we tap on the menu button. And then from here, you want to go to the top and open up My Phone. In here, make sure you deselect Contacts Important Dates. Sometimes in here, it will also include birthdays. Next, after that, if you sync Google Calendar, make sure you expand out the Google Calendar and deselect birthdays. So toggle on birthdays to make sure it is not selected. And then after that, you want to go through any of other calendars that might have birthdays in it. Okay, so make sure you go through each of the calendars and remove birthdays. And then if you go back to your main calendars, monthly view, or to the calendar view, you can see that birthdays will be removed from the calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.